Welcome back to another house tour. Today we're here in Riviera Golf and Country Club Estates in Silang, Cavite to feature this beautiful fairway home. I'm really excited to show you this one, and this is just one of the rare lots or rare houses that you will see in my YouTube channel because this is a fairway home. Napakahirap po maghanap ng fairway home. And if you're looking for one, I suggest that you stay up to the end of this video. Tara, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. Before we begin with the exterior tour of the property, let me invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para ma-update you whenever we release new house tours. We're also on social media. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and also TikTok. Now, if you would like to inquire about other property listings or you would like to list your property, you can contact us in the contact information on the screen. And if you would like to see the other listings that we're selling, we have our website. It's livinthesouthph.com. Let's begin with our tour. This property is located in Riviera Golf and Country Club Estates in Silang, Cavite. Napaka-rare po ng lot na to because in this block alone, yung both lots po natin or yung mga lote dito are single-loaded at ang nasa likod nila ay mga fairway lots. So this is a very rare location na for sure ang daming magkakagusto, especially if you're a golfer or somebody would like to get your dream house. Now, this property sits in a lot area of 600 square meters with a floor area of 420 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, a powder room, and a carport that can fit 2 to 4 vehicles. Now, not only that, may special feature yung bahay na to, meron din siyang solar panels on top. So if you would like to save on a little bit on your electricity, this is perfect for you. I'm really excited to show you the exterior part of the house, beginning with our carport. As you can see, we have a very spacious 2 to 4 vehicle carport na kasyang-kasya yung sasakyan natin. Yung nga lang, yung 2 vehicles na, if you plan to park 4 vehicles, yung 2 vehicles would be not shaded anymore. Now, right on the other side would be an access going to the relaxing part of the house. Actually, if you have been following me on YouTube, I've featured this house in my live tour before. I think 3 to 4 weeks ago, depending on the time this video is posted. Ang ganda-ganda ng bahay na to. I came here, actually maganda ngayon, it's sunny. Last time I came here, medyo maulan. So as we enter, just imagine pagpasok natin ng side na to and you have guests or you have pets, you have your grandkids here. It's a very beautiful location. Now, as you can see, meron tayong malaking halaman dito. I don't know what it's called, pero sobrang laki niya, enough to give me shade kahit maaraw. Kindly comment down below what type of plant is this. Now, on this other side at the back, you have a patio or a lanai at the back to enjoy the view of the fairway. Hindi lang yun, you have a lot of garden space to build on or to improve on according to your liking. This has a beautiful view. I can just imagine having breakfast in the morning and relax, reading books, reading the Bible if you'd like, watching my YouTube channel. You can put a sofa or outdoor living room here, and you also put an outdoor dining area so that you can enjoy the exterior part of this house. This is how you would live. Actually, if you want to live really in a golf community, this is very perfect. And then, hindi lang yun, sa second floor mamaya, makikita nyo, meron pa tayong balcony to enjoy the view of the back. So right here on the other side would be the busy area or the dirty part of the house. Well, most of the cleaning and the movement will be happening because you have a sink here which has an which can act as a dirty kitchen or outdoor kitchen. You can also do your laundry here. You also have a door access here going to the maid's room, which we'll be showing later. So we're done here in the exterior part of the house. Let's tour the first floor. Tara, pasok po kayo. Welcome po kayo sa future home ninyo. We are greeted with this solid wood door with double pivot hinges, and it's really easy to push. And as we enter the house, we'll be greeted by our double height ceiling, beautiful entryway, which allows a lot of the natural light to come in. Actually, this house is very energy efficient kasi marami siyang bintana, and then yung lagusan ng hangin or airflow inside the house feels as if hindi ka na maiinitan. As you can see, ang ganda ng finish ng ating flooring. I think this is marble floorings. And then just imagine how much you can do here. Sobrang dami, especially if you're the one living here. Definitely, you can design it as much as you can, and sobrang ganda po niya. And just appreciate yung ceiling natin. You know what? Ako, pagpasok sa bahay na to, what I notice immediately is matibay itong bahay na to and maganda yung pagkakagawa. Wala masyadong arte pero sobrang matibay yung pagkakagawa niya. So this one here in the living room or the living area, you have an access to your powder room. So you have this powder room here already, wherein your guest doesn't need to go inside the house, don't need to explore the other parts of the house, you just need to stay here and then dito na lang sila. And then you also have itong lower part of the stairs wherein you can still cover so that you can put cabinets or you'd like to put a divider. Now, as we move a little bit forward, you can actually choose. Pwede po kayo magkaroon ng dalawang dining area. This can be your breakfast area, which is near your counter. And then you have this center light and also your hole or niche here on top of the ceiling so that you have a beautiful accent. And now right across would be your kitchen. Yung kitchen natin, you have your beautiful countertop. This is not modular kitchen. This is actually solid cement. Tapos meron po siyang countertop. You have your center chopping area here in the middle. And you have an Elba cooktop and also you have an Elba oven. You have your sink here. You have your aluminum cabinets here para matibay from Anay. Sobrang ganda. You have a very spacious kitchen here if you like to cook. Now, right across it would be another space wherein you can put your dining area. Ako, I would prefer it here. I would like it here also because you have a view of the fairway. This part is leading to your fairway view or the patio or the lanai at the back of the house, which has a view of the fairway. Now, here on the ground floor would be, actually, itong house namin, meron tayong two options to make it into a master's bedroom. But if you see this next room, you would think this is the master's bedroom in mind. So, if you prefer that this will be your master's bedroom, pwedeng-pwede because this has a walk-in closet. So, tara, let's explore it. Welcome to the master's bedroom of the ground floor. As you can see, it's very spacious. You already have your ceiling fan. You have already your air conditioning installed in the house. And as you can see, sobrang luwag po niya. I'm stretching my arms right now. I hope you can visualize how big this room is. You can actually fit a king size. You can put a sofa. You can put a dresser here. Sobrang luwag po niya. And you have a view of the fairway at the back. Here also in the master's bedroom on the ground floor would be your toilet and bath. For the toilet and bath, you have a His and Hers sink with very beautiful finish on the countertop. You have this bronze or gold finish sa ating mga sink. And you have these cabinets. Yung cabinets natin sobrang high quality tignan. Ang ganda tignan niya. It fits the whole house. You have a lot of storage space. So, wala ka nang kailangan hanapin pa. Now, you also have your shower area here with your shower enclosure. It's already enclosed. Very sturdy materials. Sobrang tibay na materials yung ginamit niya. You also have your heater and you also have your toilet area here. So, we're done here in the ground floor. Let's explore the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here in the second floor, we will have 3 bedrooms. You have a storage room, you have 2 toilet and bath, you have a secret room. And hindi lang yon, you have a very spacious living and also small kitchen area. So if you don't want to go down anymore, you just stay here, maybe live here on the second floor, pwedeng-pwede. Actually, parang design pa nga siya sa multi-generation or multi-family home. One thing that I'd like to feature also is itong mahabang counter natin. So talagang this is really thought of na baka pwedeng may yung family or siguro yung kids mo living here in the second floor, ikaw tumitira dito sa baba. And as you can see, you still have this very spacious area here in the ground floor to put a dining, you put a living area. But before we go here on this side, let me just show you yung ating view from down below. As you can see, you have a very beautiful parang framing sa ating second floor so that you can highlight still yung ating chandelier that's looking down to our living area in the ground floor. And it's very beautiful, very well thought of and very nicely done. So here on the second floor, as you notice, nag-change na yung tiles natin. It used tile planks kanina po. And then let's just explore yung balcony at the back of the house. So here at the back, we have a spacious balcony to put an outdoor dining, an outdoor living set, so that you can also enjoy and appreciate the view of the fairway at the back of the house. Again, this is one of the rare lots that is located in a block where the lots on both sides of the road have fairway views. So just imagine the type of houses that will be built here. Right now, there are just 3 houses. This is the 3rd house. And napakaganda niya. And just imagine, you have a view of this every morning. You have a view of people hitting, going, and moving around here. So sobrang ganda. This is one of actually mga dream lots ng mga golfers. Right beside it would be the first bedroom of the house. This is actually still another spacious bedroom. You already have your air conditioning. You already have your lighting, and you have tile planks, and napaka-laki ng ating storage space. Now, dito rin sa room na to, it also has a secret room. So, I don't know if I can open this. So, you also have a secret room or a secret storage room, or can be a panic room dito sa likod. I just open the lights so that you can appreciate it. It's still spacious. This can be a secret office if you'd like. If you want to hide away from your children or your post and you'd like to do a little bit of work, you can stay here. This is your common toilet and bath for both rooms that will be shared. Again, almost same finishes as the ground floor bedroom, except for yung faucet natin. It's also spacious. You have beautiful mosaic tiles sa walls natin. You have great tiles sa flooring. And here is your second bedroom of the 2nd floor. This is bigger as compared to the first room, but this is also nice. Ang ganda niya. You have beautiful finishes. You have your tile planks. Very beautiful color combinations inside the house. And then, meron din siyang split-type air conditioning. We also have a storage area here for your linens, for your cleaning materials, or pwede rin siya maging pantry. Since meron kang kitchen dito sa 2nd floor, you can convert it into a pantry. So this is your storage area, which is convertible. Now here is your master's bedroom in the 2nd floor. Although this one doesn't have a walk-in closet, but if you prefer having your master's bedroom here in the 2nd floor, this is your option because this has a balcony. You have very huge closet space. You have air conditioning. You have your ceiling fan, and you have a balcony outside to enjoy the view. And you also have a spacious toilet and bath. This is actually the 2nd biggest toilet compared to the master's toilet in the ground floor. You have your beautiful countertop. You have your mosaic tiles, which is very beautifully chosen. And then you have high ceiling. You have your frosted glass shower enclosure here. I like this room. This has a balcony wherein you can enjoy the breeze of the outside. And kanina when I was shooting the ground floor, sabi ko sa brother ko who's shooting the video, sobrang lamig ng hangin dito sa Riviera Silang, Cavite. So if you're interested in this property, contact us now. Thank you for watching our house tour today. If you would like to go on a site visit and see this property in the actual, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also our iMessage. We are also on social media. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and also our TikTok accounts. Now, if you would like to list your property, you can talk about it, and also you can send us the details of your property and pag-usapan natin how we can help you. Now, if you're still looking around and you would just like to get updates from the latest projects or the upcoming listings that we will be posting in our YouTube channel or in our website, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box. Nandyan din po yan sa comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!